For all our viewers watching at home, we have 2 rounds of battle scheduled here today. It's the main event of the evening for rap battle fans around the world. I'm Jeff Brinkle, here with John Statterly. John, what's your take on today's main event?
Well, Jeff, I have to tell you, this new kid Chronic Killer is stepping into the ring with some well-established legends. And if he's gonna make his mark, then today's that day. I believe we better watch out for what he has coming. I like this kid.
Indeed, it's going to be a heated battle. Now let's take it ringside with your host, Harold Bentley.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you here tonight to the GRB World Championship. In a showdown of heavyweight giants, to all battle fans in attendance and around the world, let's get ready to rumble!
This Chronic Killer nigga, I spit flows, it'll rilla. We kill the dankest, we big like gorillas. You pussy niggas weak like chinchillas. Fuck blunt effects, nigga, you get no respect. Man, cause I can have your bitch giving me neck with your weak ass. She need a real one, but don't worry, I'll give her back when I'm done. And to that bitch, blunt power, that shit don't even last an hour. I don't know how you made it this far. You must sabotage the broke niggas with no cars. Your shit is setless, y'all ain't got no freshness. Better not step to me, I'll leave you breathless. With your false advertising ass, should be called blunt cowards. Y'all body strong is a fucking sunflower.
Well, John, you definitely weren't kidding. Chronic Killer came to straight devour his competition. It's unlike anything I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, straight from the first jab, Chronic Killer just kept landing those uppercut and body shots. They really didn't stand a chance.
Right again, John. Now let's get back to ringside as they prepare for round 2.
I'ma start it off like this. Damn man, fresh, you know you're not gon' be missed. I'm about to send your ass to the abyss. If you have any last words, go ahead, say your last wish. Cause this ain't just the blitz and your weak ass company. Nah, the people is tired of you shit, I'm taking custody. You'll have your fun promoting a less superior product. But sorry, motherfucking now your shit out of luck. As a matter of fact, soon all these niggas gon' be gone, including this mediocre nigga set bomb. Cause I came into this game to teach you a lesson. This more than an impression, this is my confession. I won't stop till your bitch ass forgot it. But I'ma leave you your sense to rot it. Cause when y'all stop making sense, that makes sense. And this is the beginning, ain't no pretend. Cause ain't nobody really, nigga, it's Chronic Killer.
By God, that was an outstanding performance. Just a landslide victory, and I don't think battle fans will ever get to see something like that again.
Yeah, cause I don't know who else would want to get in there with them. I mean, unless they want their business to be humiliated. After that, they might as well throw their whole company away.
Yep, that's basically all the competition can do at this point. But one thing's for certain, Chronic Killer is now the new heavyweight GRB champion of the world. And I don't think things are ever gonna be the same.